Oh no! It's 7 a.m.? I set the alarm for 6. Why didn't it go off? Wait. Today is my wedding day! My wedding day! Okay, stay calm, stay calm. Did I get my dress yesterday? I went to the shop, right? Or did I just try it on? No. The dress is still at the shop. I completely forgot. Okay, Emma, don't panic. Calm down. Breathe. You can do this. Hey, good morning, bride. Are you ready? Sara, I forgot the dress. I forgot to pick it up. What? The wedding dress? Yes, it's still at the shop. What should I do? Okay. Don't panic. I am panicking. No. Breathe. Just breathe. Today is my wedding and I have no dress. It's okay. We can fix this. Are you sure? Yes, this is not a big problem. It feels like a big problem. Trust me, everything will be fine. Okay, I trust you. Good. Now drink some water. You sound like a chicken. A chicken? Yes, a very nervous chicken. Maybe I am a chicken. A bride chicken. Cluck, cluck, bride. We've got this. Okay, I'm here. I'm at the shop. Thank you, Sara. You're my hero. I know. I should wear a cape. Super Sara. Super Sara to the rescue. But Emma, what? What's the name of the shop again? What? There are 2 dress shops here. Oh, no. It's Dream Day Dresses. Not Dress Dreams? No. Dream Day Dresses. Okay, I'm going in. Emma, I think I see your dress. It's so fluffy. It's like a big white cupcake. That's the one, the cupcake dress. Perfect. I've got it. You're a lifesaver. Really? I know, but you owe me cake. You'll get cake. A big piece. With extra frosting. I earned it. Thank you, Sara. I feel better now. Good. Now stop clucking, bride chicken. Cluck, cluck.
Hello?
Jack, are you awake?
Yes, maybe. No. What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock. Your wedding is today.
9? Oh, no. Ow! What was that?
What happened?
I stepped on my belt. Or maybe a sandwich?
A sandwich?
I don't know. I think it's from last week.
Jack, that's disgusting.
Okay. I'm awake now. I'm 100% awake.
Good. Now move. Get ready. See you soon, Mr. Almost Late.
Operation Don't Be Late is a go. Over and out.
Okay, I can do this. Wow, Emma, you look amazing. I look like a cake, a nervous cake, a beautiful cake, the best kind. I'm shaking. Are my hands shaking? Yep, just a little. What if something goes wrong? Like what? What if Jack forgets his shoes? He won't. What if he says the wrong name? He won't. What if I trip on my dress and fall into the cake? That would be funny, but I'd still clap for you. Sarah, sorry, but honestly, you'll be fine. Are you sure? I'm super sure. Today is your day. I feel like I'm going to cry. Crying is okay. Just don't mess up the makeup. Too late. My mascara is already running. Breathe, Emma. Just breathe. Everyone keeps saying that because it works. Okay. In, out. See? Better. A little better. Emma, remember this. If Jack shows up wearing socks that match, the day is already a win. Only socks? Matching socks. That's true love. That's a low bar. That's marriage. Do I really look okay? You look more than okay. You look ready. Ready to marry a man who once ate soup with a fork. And you love him for it. I do. I really do. Okay, now let's go. They are waiting you. Okay, let's do this. That's my girl. Let's go get you married. Sarah, look at all the people. So many eyes on me. Yes, but they are happy eyes. Everyone is here for you. I feel nervous. Don't worry, just smile. If you trip, everyone will clap louder. That's not funny. Okay, maybe a little funny. Remember, Emma, just breathe. Okay, I can do this. Yes, you can. And look, everyone is smiling at you. Wow, you're right. I'm not scared now. I feel happy. See, I told you. This is your moment, Emma. Enjoy it. Thank you, Sarah. You are the best friend.
We are gathered here today to celebrate love.
Don't mess up.
Too late. I already forgot how to breathe.
Jack, please repeat after me.
I promise to love you,
I promise to love you,
To care for you. To care for you.
and to be your husband.
and to be your wife.
Wife?
I mean, husband. I meant husband.
Too late, Jack. You're the wife now.
It's okay, Jack. Happens more than you think.
At least you showed up.
In pants and everything.
A miracle.
All right. Shall we try again?
Yes, please. This time I'll read slowly, like a human.
I love you, even if I talk like a robot.
I love my robot. Wow, Jack, what a day. I am so tired.
Me too. My face hurts. I smiled too much.
I hurt from laughing. That "I'll be your wife" line? Classic.
I still can't believe I said that.
It was the best part.
Honestly, today was kind of crazy.
Kind of? Jack, you almost missed your own wedding.
I was fashionably late.
You were almost fashionably single.
But everything worked out.
It really did. Look, we are married now.
That feels amazing.
You know, it wasn't a perfect day.
But it was our day.
Exactly. Even with all the little problems.
And full of love. I remember you looked scared for a moment, but then you smiled and everything felt perfect.
Yes, the problems were small. The happiness was big.
That's right. A wedding is not about being perfect. It's about love.
Yes, and today I felt so much love from you, from our families, from our friends.
And from me, always from me.
Thank you, Jack. Today was beautiful.
The best day of our lives. Good night, Mrs. Emma.
Good night, Mr. Jack. Good night, my husband.
Good night, my wife.